in on Procyon Radio and Television with Sarah. MK All-Rounder is in the house.
Yes, we continue to break the news as it is.
Thank you. You can't ask Nigerians to sacrifice while living big. Obi speaks on President Tinubu's 124 vehicle convoy. The presidential candidate of Labour Party has reacted to number of vehicles that trailed the motor card of President Bola Tinubu after his return to Lagos from London. According to Peter Obi, there is a need to cut down on the cost of governance, and that has always been his position about governance. He said, "You can't ask Nigerians to sacrifice while living big." Buhari asked Tinubu to stop probing Emefiele. Former President Muhammadu Buhari has reacted to the reports that he told President Bola Tinubu not to probe members of his cabinet. President Tinubu and his successor, Buhari, reportedly met behind the doors in London during the president's private trip to the United Kingdom. Apost Chibuzor collapsed at the airport. Omega Power Ministry founder Apost Chibuzor collapses at the airport, begs Nigerians to pray for him. The Apostle Chibuzo, known for his charity, has made headlines for allegedly abandoning some of his recipients, including those on international scholarship. Dogo GUDALI, the bandit leader, has been killed by explosive planted by gang members. MK All-Rounder. You can't ask Nigerians to sacrifice while living big. Peter Obi tells Tinubu.
You know, there's something wrong with our leaders. Our leaders, they will be telling us that we should tighten our belt, but they will lose their belt. Now, Tinubu came and removed subsidy. The removal of the subsidy makes everything high in Nigeria. Both the food in the market, the transportation, and everything, because of that subsidy is removed. Now, every time our leader used to that, they will come and tell us we should tighten our belt, that this economy they want to do now, they want to revive the economy, tighten our belt, but they will fail to tighten their own belt. They will lose it. They do me now. Do you know that Tinubu now is now planning to increase the salaries of those in the house and everywhere, the workers? You increase their salary, you increase your own salary. You give us hardship by your policy, the policy that you bring to us. Every time, our leader, you're supposed to think us. Now, you are moving with about 200 cars, spending money lavishly. But when it comes to the mekunus, the talakawas, you'll be telling another different language. All the policy that you bring since you came to the power, none that favor the public. We are just deceiving ourselves by clapping for you that we are doing something. There's nothing you have done that has changed the common man of Nigeria. No. You are telling the university that they will be paying, the schools that they will be paying, giving them loans. Now, who will stand for them to collect the loan? And when they collected the loan, now every schools, now all these universities, now they have increased their school fees. You understand? Every policy of government is just anti-people. I don't know why. And you have been clamoring that you want to rule. But when they give you the power to now come down and be a good manager to our economy, it will be your problem. But you will be living big. That is why you can do anything to be on that seat. Buhari be on that seat for 8 hours. For 8
So
years.
are you now saying that what Peter
Nigeria.
Obi is saying?
He's talking.
What is your position?
No, he's talking sense. You understand? That is what a leader must do. When you are coming to rule people, you promise, you do this. When you are there, you bring some politics that you will not favor to the people again.
But actually, you know that Tinubu is already a wealthy person. He has all these things.
If Tinubu is a wealthy person, can he feed all Nigeria?
Do you think
can Tinubu feed Nigeria with all his money? You understand? As a wealthy person, okay, you have become Nigeria president. What are you supposed to do? Do something. Let us feel you. Let us clap for you. Let us say, no, we thank God, though, we've relieved from draconic government of Buhari. But no, you are just the same thing. You and Buhari now, there's no difference. Because you even increase our hardship. You understand? So, by you now living flamboyantly with all your people in the government, the common man didn't feel you. He didn't feel you. Is this what we continue again?
All right. Buhari asked Tinubu to stop probing Emefiele.
Can you hear me? Can you hear what I did here? Now, Buhari is telling Tinubu to stop probing Emefiele. Can you see? In 2015, if you will recollect very well, in 2015 when the Buhari came into the power, he shouted for 4 years of his first tenure, shouted probing, abusing Jonathan's government for 4 years without doing anything. Shouting Jonathan, they don't spoil, they don't carry all the money, they don't do this, probably do everything. The second tenure, we started finding money in the market, in the toilet. Snake, they carry money. Goat, they carry money. Monkey, they carry money. Even we saw a money in a complete building that the building just grew up from soil. We didn't know who built it today. Finding money in the market, finding money in the airport. That's how the government went. You understand? So now we are tired. Now you are telling Tinubu not to probe Emefiele, not to probe your government. But you see, let me tell you, I'm telling you today that Nigeria is not your property. Nigeria is not your property. Tinubu will probe your government, even including you. You have to submit some things now. We have to submit some things. We know that we make a mistake for electing you in 2015 and 2019. You forced yourself to us on 2019. You have to formit. Your wife has to formit some things. Daura, you have to formit some things. Sabiu, today in the Aso Rock, doing no work for Nigeria. You have to submit something. You have to probe them. We have to collect this Nigeria property. The resources of Nigeria belongs to Nigerians. It belongs to Nigerians, not Niger. You understand? So we have to probe you. Tinubu will probe you. Even if he did not do anything, he will probe you. I know a Lagos guy. You understand? He will probe you. So be ready. And we support him to probe you. At least to collect some things from you. You've collected from Jonathan's government. They have to collect from you. All these things belong to Nigerians. It's for Nigerians. Only that when you are in power, you grab it to yourself. You wasted it, carried our money to abroad and wasted it. Instead to build a hospital in Nigeria, you took it to abroad and build there. Refinery, you cannot build refinery in Nigeria, but they can build refinery in Niger. They can build refinery in South Africa. Can you see? You cannot build a housing estate here, but you can build a housing estate in Dubai. Can you see? See the way we are thinking. See. You see, they don't think to be a black man. I mean, why we black and our brain is black? When you on the throne, your brain will be dark. You understand? You forget people. Kind. It's too much
All
for them.
right, Apostle Chibuzor collapses at the airport and he begs for prayers.
My advice to Apostle Chibuzor is that let him cool it down. You know what kills most of the pastors is stress. You understand? Too much stress is too much for our pastors because they want to hold everything. They want to have churches in every village in the world. They want to preach the gospel to the end of the world, do everything. You can only do your own bit and leave the rest. Apostle Chibuzor, please be resting. This is the second time that you will collapse, if I could recollect. This is the second time of you will collapse. We are praying for you, but pray for yourself. Relax. It's too much. We know you that you are a good, we are philanthropy, you help people. Apostle Chibuzor is the one that rescued the Bora's family from Sokoto. And he has been doing it to other people, you are helping them. We are praying for you.
Don't forget he has been on the headlines for a period of time.
It's true. But the guy is trying. But our advice to you and the prayer to you is that you please relax. Relax. The stress is too much. It's too much.
We also wish you a quick recovery.
We love you. We wish you quick recovery.
Yeah. How Bandit leader GUDALI died?
GUDALI died. He must die. GUDALI must die. And you see, the chief of defense staff just started work. And now you people, you have been killing yourself. The bomb that you laid for military, you are he laid the bomb,
the explosive.
The explosive. He laid it for the military, but he himself now. That's very good. All of you have been warning you. This is a new government. This is no more terrorist government again. The terrorist government has passed. We all knew that Buhari's government is a terrorist government. It has passed. It's a new government. And we want to have a new Nigeria. Bandit, repent now or you die. Yes, because our military, I'm telling you, our military have started their work. Sincerely now. Forget the other this thing that you see them. They don't allow them to work because they are the one they will send them to the front, war front. They are the one to tell the Boko Haram that the troop is coming. We know all these tricks. Let us call a spade a spade. We know all these tricks we are doing for our military. But that era has passed. This is another government. And this government will not tolerate you, bandits. It will not tolerate you, Boko Haram. It will not tolerate you, kidnapper. Be warned now. Action has begun. Surrender yourself. We give you amnesty. But if you don't surrender yourself, our military will catch up with you. That is the final.
Thank you, MK All-Rounder. Trending on Procyon Radio and Television with Sarah Agbo.